everyone, hello, it's me here, Fatima. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making some popcorn for the kids because every Friday night we always have movie night because the next day is Saturday, so they don't go to school. So I'll show you guys how I do my kids and me as well, the whole family, our movie night and popcorn. I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of sugar in here. In this other pot here, I'm going to be adding my oil. You can use any oil of your choice in here. 1 cup. I'm going to be using like 1/4 cup. I'm not going to use all of it because I'm not making much. I'll leave that to be. I'm gonna stir it till everything gets brown. You can always double this recipe, or you can make it the sugar to your own taste. How sweet you want your popcorn. I don't want it very sweet, but do it to your own taste. My oil is now being warm, so I'm gonna be putting my corn in there. I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, and then I'll cover it. So moving on here, that's my caramel. As I said, put the sugar to your own taste. I'll be adding my evaporated milk, half of that, not 2 cans. I added half, it was half. At this stage, you always have to mix it. You always have to keep on mixing it because it's developing food. At this point, I'm going to lower my heat, my gas. As you can see, there's the popcorn going in there now. That's popcorn. There's the popcorn in there now, going on. You see, when it's at this stage, your caramel is now ready. When you see that it's getting thick, so as you can see, I've already off my gas now. So that's your caramel. That's my caramel is now ready. put the quantity of sugar that you want. You can make less or more, it depends how big is your family. This spoon is a bit small. So just stir everything together, mix everything together, and then yeah, so that's my popcorn. That's our movie night popcorn. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody. Thank you everyone. Stay blessed. If you come across this video, please don't forget to share it. Leave your comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the subscribe button. Thank you so much.